Hello friends and welcome back to Quiz News channel. In today's video, we'll guess the meme by dance, part 2. We have 20 questions and you'll have 10 seconds to answer each one. Every correct answer will earn you 1 point. If you're ready, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and let's get started. Question 1. Do you know this meme? Exactly, it's coffin dance. Question 2. Which meme song is this? That's right, it's Toca Toca. Question 3. Coffin dance versus Toca Toca dance. Which dance do you like more? Which dance do you like more? Leave your opinion in the comments to let us know. Question 4. Can you guess the dance in this meme? Yes, it's Among Us dance. Question 5. Can you find the odd Among Us out? Time's up! The correct answer is here. Question 6. Which meme song is this? It's Black Guy Dancing. Question 7. Do you recognize this meme?
How you like that?
Exactly, it's Elsa Dan with How You Like That.
How you like that?
Question 8. Guess the meme. That's right, it's that one guy. Question 9. Can you guess the meme by dance? Amazing! It's Sonic Dance. Question 10. Do you know this meme? is Happy Happy Cat Apple ringtone? Question 11. Whose dance is this from a meme?
Skibidi dum dum dum, yes yes. Skibidi dum dum dim dim.
Is Skibidi Banana Toilet?
Skibidi dum dum dum, yes yes. Skibidi dum dum dim dim.
Question 12. Who owns this dance? You're so good! It's Skibidi Toilet meme. Question 13. Skibidi Toilet meme versus Skibidi Banana Toilet. Which version do you prefer?
Skibidi dum dum dum, yes yes. Skibidi dum dum dim dim.
Time's up! Let us know by leaving a comment below. Question 14. Whose dance is this from a meme? Exactly! It's Wednesday Dance with Bloody Mary. Question 15. Is this meme familiar to you? Well done! It's never gonna give you up meme. Question 16. Which meme song is this? Amazing! That's John Cena dancing with Cupid. Question 17. Can you guess the real John Cena? Time's up! The real John Cena is in the answer A. Question 18. Do you know the exact name of this dance meme?
Skibidi skibidi dum dum, skibidi dum, skibidi dum dum.
Great job! It's Skibidi Dum Dum Yes Yes in Tetris.
Skibidi skibidi dum dum, skibidi dum dum.
Question 19. Do you know this meme?
One kiss is all it takes.
Is IshowSpeed?
One kiss is all it takes.
Question 20. Can you recognize this meme?
Look out, nice. What are you doing? Angry eyes won't look from him.
What do you think is the name of this meme? Let us know by leaving a comment below. Thanks for watching the video. Comment to let me know how many questions you answered correctly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun games like this.